In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill and color shapes in AutoCAD. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, mastering this skill will help you bring your designs to life with vibrant color. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you have your AutoCAD project open and your design ready. On the top of the screen, you'll see various tabs. We're interested in what's known as the Home tab today, as it contains the essential tools we'll need. From here, look for the Draw section, which should be located in an easy-to-spot area of the screen. It's your toolbox for creating and manipulating shapes within your design. Now, locate and click on the Hatch tool. What does the Hatch tool do, you ask? Essentially, it allows you to fill your shapes with a pattern or solid color, giving them that polished and finished appearance. Once you click on the Hatch tool, you'll see several options for different hatch patterns. For our purpose, we're going to select the solid pattern. This will ensure your shapes are filled with a continuous block of color rather than a pattern, which can be particularly useful for creating bold and clear visuals. The next step involves flicking on the enclosed shapes you want to fill. Go ahead and click directly on the shapes in your design that you'd like to fill with color. As you do this, you'll see them begin to transform, taking on the new fill, which is quite satisfying. Make sure to carefully select each shape you want to modify. This process can be repeated for multiple shapes, so don't worry if you decide to add a few more along the way. Once you've successfully filled your desired shapes, we can move on to adding color, which is where the design truly comes to life. Click on any of the filled shapes and you'll notice the Hatch Editor tab appear, usually right above your drawing space. This tab is your gateway to customizing the appearance of your shapes. Pay attention to the Properties section in this tab, as it holds the key to changing the color of your shape fills. To change the color, simply navigate through the options in the Properties section. Select a new color that fits your design aesthetic and see your shapes transform instantly with these vibrant tones. It's a straightforward but incredibly impactful step that can make your design more cohesive or help certain elements stand out. As you work through this process, remember that experimentation is a great way to discover what works best for you. Try various colors and find the combination that suits the vision of your project. That's it. You're now equipped to fill and color shapes in AutoCAD. With this skill, you can enhance your designs, making them as expressive and visually appealing as you imagine. Happy designing!